Hi everyone, this is Aisha. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are in the Canton Fair and today we are going to see the personal care category. If you have any questions about any product, you can feel free to ask me through the LinkedIn or WhatsApp. Let's go. Here there is a massaging robot. It looks nice. Wow, looks like this section going to be really interesting. Yes. They also had one for ice massaging. Let's see it from inside. Yeah. So this one they have lots of products related with massaging. Like this. So this one they are having the products for home care solution and hospital solution. Look at this. The manufacturer is in Guangzhou.
Patient monitor for hospital use.
Which country you are mainly exporting to?
Globally, around the world. Also, we are the manufacturer since 1996, and we in this field for many years. Globally, and for some big hospital, for some IDN and GPOs, and also, for example, we sell to some pharmacy chains, and we also do OEM for many good branding.
This store they are having different kind of vacuum cupping devices. Like this.
对，这里不能点火，这个里面不能3嘛。
挺容易操作的。
把我这里呗。好的。
OK， 好，花钱。
这边
这个75人民币，对，它是没有起订量，没有说要印你们的 logo 就需要那个起订量的。
如果加他们 logo 的话呢，起订量是多少
？1000。
我加一下你们微信。So here they are having some products to arrange your bathroom. Actually, it's kind of useful, this kind of things. Bathroom organization. Yeah, so this is the pull-out storage basket. So you are focusing on the shower gel and shampoo.
Yes.
And you can change the packaging or?
Yes, no problem. We just do the OEM and ODM.
Oh
You
yeah.
can change the packaging, change the smell. Yes. Also change the formula. Just independent you.
I can add your WeChat?
Yes.
What's your MOQ for this?
5,000.
Yeah, thank you.
I also had the factory here. Yes.
In which city?
Guangzhou.
Yes, hand warmer, the insole warmer. Also, this is our new product now. Sell in the market.
Or your own design? What it can do? What is it for?
It's good for your nose. If your nose have nasal congestion, you can use it. Maybe it is more comfortable to your nose. Open your nose.
这里面加的是什么成分可以做到这样？
这个草本植物都在这里。
这个多少钱？
差不多市场价在1.25美金。
我说你们的价格。
这个月刚上市，刚生产出来，就还没有一个具体的价格。
This one I saw it on e-commerce platform before, but I haven't used it. 试一下吗？
可以。
它是手机控制吗？
对。
It's controlling with the application.
Turn on the device. Then press 3 seconds. And the light flashing, it means the device turn. And the TENS with 6 models and the EMS with 6 models. The timing from 0 to 60.
Can you start it?
Yeah. Health selling.
Oh, I can feel some electricity.
Okay. Increase. Decrease.
No, you can add some.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Decrease.
Yeah.
Up to the 20 intensity level in totally for each model.
Yeah, what's this material inside it? This material.
Yeah. Raw material is gel. The patch is replacement patch. And each piece can use in 30 times.
And do you have the smaller one for this part? This is the most small one, yes?
Small one. Or also this one can small one.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And do you have anything for the period pain?
Yes, between this one and this one.
Yeah, okay.
You can see the heating with 3 speed temperature and the tints with 6 models, different fillings.
I want to know which one is your newest product.
This one.
What's the difference?
Because this one combines the heating function and the tense function to working together.
Okay.
Other just only tense function. As we all know, when girls in the period of pain, we need to keep the warmth in this place. Yeah,
It's more warm.
Yeah.
I think it's more convenient than that one.
Yeah.
They also have the red light product for your head. Actually, for your full body.
这是它的综合模式，这个紫色的它是红光跟蓝光组成的，它是有一个控油、治理痘痘的一个功能的。然后黄光呢，它是有一个舒缓肌肤跟提亮肤色的一个功能。对，大概它的一个模式就可以照顾到脸部的不同肌肤的需求。它有一个红光的模式，一个黄光的模式，还有一个控油治痘的一个紫色的混合光的一个模式。它的
一般就是用多长时间会有一个？
一般我们是建议使用28天。如果是控油治痘的模式的话，如果你连续每天用10分钟，用7天左右，整个脸部就会变得没有那么油。
你们就是有那些出口证书吗？
目前我们这一款呢，它还在办 FDA， 年底才能下来。然后像其他的 MCC 和 CE 都是会有的。
这款多少钱？
这一款的话，我们样品价是在400块钱人民币。
400块钱。有 MOQ 吗
？MOQ 是500块，500个，500台的话大概是在280多块钱左右。
What is this? Sorry.
按摩梳。
按摩梳。
对 ，yes。我也可以试一下。
Oh, okay. So this one is for massaging your scalp, like this.
对，眼干眼色，
Yeah, okay, like this.
揉眼睛的旺气。
It's really nice.
这
挺好的。为什么就是戴久了之后会开始可以加热呢？
它不是这个水蒸气出来就是热水，那个的话就相当于你们这个不会的，那样子热蒸气的话很容易伤眼睛的。温度这个恒温的。
然后你们在哪些市场有卖？
国外、欧美有线上亚马逊。
这一款多少钱
？18美金。
然后对眼睛有什么好处？这种
眼干眼涩，缓解眼部疲劳，给眼睛补水。
是闭着眼睛用的吧？
睁着眼睛也可以，闭着眼睛也可以。睁着眼睛你可以洗一下眼睛，你可以睁着眼睛用一会儿，然后闭着眼睛，然后给这个眼周补水。它有个热蒸汽的话，它对黑眼圈啊这些有一个淡化的作用。
每一款有什么不一样的？
这个是蒸汽的，这个是气能按摩的，那个仿人手一样去按摩，放松眼部的，预防近视的一个作用。这种的话就是给补水的，然后颜色可以定制化的，什么颜色都可以做。
So this one is your company's design, yeah?
Yeah. As you know, in the Europe and America, there are many fit men. So for this big area, can give the back much support.
Oh, it can give the back much support.
Yeah.
How it can be make more height? Oh yes. So this one they have the hot and cold facial gun like this, and it have different heads that you can change it. Like those. How much is this one?
$25.
And what's the MOQ?
1,000.
Can you put the customer's logo?
Yeah. Problem.
How it's work?
You can only don't work. You can only hear the holding.
This is the cold one, yes.
Yeah.
This is the cold one. And the hot one?
Change the red light means hot.
Yeah. And how long time it takes to change the temperature?
One time is 15 minutes.
Yeah, one time is 15. Oh yeah, it's already changed.
Yeah. One time is 15 minutes in charge, and maybe you need 3 hours.
After I charge it for one time, how long time I can use it?
I mean, the 2 hours is no problem.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this one they have the massage sofa, but I think it looks more convenient. Oh, it can massage your back, yeah? Your back and your neck. Massage your neck? Yeah, not that one. Oh yeah. How much is this one?
This one is 140 and the Amokyo is 160.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a sauna.
Yes.
Yeah.
Steamer sauna.
Steamer sauna. How much is this one?
50 多了.
And what's the MOQ?
MOQ about 100.
Yeah, and what's this one over here?
This is sauna blanket.
Sauna blanket.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can control the temperature.
Yeah, yes.
It's just heat or it also had the stream like that one? 你说中文也可以。它只是一个加热吗？还是有其他功能？
我们人体躺在里面嘛，它可以就也是类似于一个蒸桑拿，但是它是干蒸的。我们躺在床上呀，在沙发上都是可以蒸的。像我们这一款的话是坐着蒸桑拿的，这一款的话它就可以躺着蒸桑拿。
但是它这样哪里来的蒸汽？
这个是没有蒸汽的这一款干蒸的，因为我们里面这里是有那些发热丝，然后人体呢直接在这里面直接躺入进去，直接这样躺进去，然后手这样伸出来，然后然后再通过这个控制器来控制整体的。
就是这样穿进去的。
对对对，这有拉链可以打开，整个身体都是可以进去的。
OK， 好，了解了。然后这个是什么 ？Red Light Therapy。
这个是我们的一块那种疗养类的灯板。
对，这个是哪个产品有？
我这个产品我们暂时没带过来，
但是你们是有这个产品的，对不对？
对对，是的，我们工厂就是专门就是做这些理疗类的产品，蒸桑拿类的，还有这些灯板，有各种各样的灯板，美容灯板呀，还有那些医疗类的灯板都是有的。
这种就是戴在脸上那个红色面膜，你们这里有
有那些什么戴在脸上的，还有头上的，还有肩膀上的，还有腰上的、膝盖上的，还有这些关节处的都有，我们所有的都有。
行，我加一下你们微信。So we are end of this video. If you want to see more videos about the Canton Fair or about different exhibition or different products, remember to subscribe my channel. This is Aisha. I have been in China for more than 10 years. If you want to buy from China, feel free to contact me. Bye bye.